Ma'am, technically is all set. We may start.
Sir, should we start?
Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. A very good morning to all. I, Dr. Vinita Tuli, welcome you all to the first online 2-week bilingual refresher course on cinema, society, and education. Cinema, Samaj, or Shiksha, organized under the aegis of the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, University of Delhi, in collaboration with the Teaching Learning Center, Ramanujan College, University of Delhi. I'm honored to welcome our highly esteemed guests, Professor Prem Lal Unial, Treasurer, College Governing Body, and Chief Guest of this refresher course, and Professor in the Department of Botany, University of Delhi. Our guest of honor, Professor S.P. Agarwal, Principal, Ramanujan College, University of Delhi, and the Chairman of the Teaching Learning Center, Ramanujan College. Professor Harish Trivedi, former Professor of English, University of Delhi, and the keynote speaker of this 2-week refresher course. Our respected Principal Sir, Professor Gyantoj Kumar Jha, and Dr. V.K. Arora, Coordinator, Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College. On this auspicious occasion, the inauguration of the online refresher course on cinema, society, and education, Cinema, Samaj, or Shiksha. Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College has become synonymous with equity and excellence. In the last few years, and established in 1959, the college underwent upheaval transformation in the post-independence years. Yet the ability to adapt while holding on to one's cultural identity built into its foundations early on has held ARST in good stead. A NAC accredited A-grade institution and holding NIRF All India rank of 13, the college stands testament to the community's dedication towards creating an educational ecosystem that is holistic and embracing. In the last 5 years alone, the college has gone from strength to strength, developing existing facilities to maximize their potential and keep pace with rapid shifts in the global economy under the able leadership of our principal, Professor Gyantoj Kumar Jha. The college has been the recipient of several prestigious grants and is fast emerging as a hub of undergraduate research. Apart from offering placement and internship opportunities via the placement cell, vocational training and short-term add-on courses are also provided through our skill development and entrepreneurial cell. During this pandemic, the IQAC cell of the college has national as well as international online faculty development programs, international conference in physics, and national conferences and events, and is continually committed to import best teaching, learning, and research practices for the holistic development of the students and the stakeholders. आत्माराम सनातन धर्म महाविद्यालय दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय का एक प्रमुख सह शैक्षणिक कॉलेज है। हमारे महाविद्यालय का आदर्श वाक्य है तेजस्विनी नावदितमस्तु, अर्थात हमारा ज्ञान कांति से संपन्न हो। उत्कृष्टता, समता और समावेशिता इस संस्था के स्थापित सिद्धांत हैं। अपनी स्थापना के बाद से पिछले 60 वर्षों में ARSD ने एक प्रगतिशील और समतावादी समुदाय के निर्माण पर जोर दिया है। यह निरंतर सुधार पर केंद्रित है। कॉलेज समकालीन मांगों के अनुरूप एक संगठन बनाने और सभी हितधारकों के समग्र विकास को संभव करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। पिछले कुछ वर्षों में कॉलेज ने चहुमुखी विकास किया है। स्नातक स्तर पर शोध की प्रमुखता, उद्यमशीलता के क्षेत्र में विशेष पहल, कौशल विकास, मजबूत उद्योग संस्था लिंकेज और ICT सक्षम शिक्षण वातावरण पर जोर दिया गया है। जो टिकाऊ और आत्मनिर्भर प्रणालियों की सुविधा की ओर अग्रसर है। कॉलेज करता है और भविष्य को बड़ी आशा और संकल्प के साथ देखता है। It is a pleasure to welcome Dr. V.K. Arora, the IQAC coordinator of the college, who has always guided us throughout. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Arora to say a few words of encouragement to us.
Thank you, Vinita. Professor Unyal, our chief guest and treasurer of governing body. Professor S.P. Agarwal, principal of Ramanujan College and the chairman of TLC Ramanujan College. Professor G.K. Jha, principal of our own college, ARSG College. Dr. Vinita Tule, who is the convener of this organizing committee, along with the coordinator, TLC, Ramanujan College, Dr. Vibhash Kumar, and co-convener, Dr. Anjali Gupta. I would also like to name individually, but because of the paucity of time, I can't really name other members of 14, 15 other members of the organizing committee whose efforts have gone behind planning and organizing this refresher course. As a matter of fact, IQAC had been planning this refresher course and other national conferences last year itself. But as we all are aware of, due to the peculiar situation arising out of the pandemic, we had to postpone and all our plans had been rendered haywire. But nonetheless, we are here today starting this refresher course. Of course, technology has its own advantages. The fact that we are organizing this refresher course online has substantially extended its reach to different corners of the country. I will not take much of the time. There are other speakers as well. Particularly, I don't wish to consume time, but so that our keynote speaker, Professor Trivedi, is not short of time for his keynote address. I do hope that this refresher course and its contents are found to be not only interesting by the participants, but useful, as they will probably cover different dimensions, facets of cinema as an art form, also cinema and its relations with society as a tool for education, etc. I'll now give it back to Vinita Tule so that she can proceed with the proceedings of the refresher course. Vinita, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. It is indeed an opportunity to welcome our principal, Professor Gyantoch Kumar Jha. Sir has always been a visionary and an inspiration to better ourselves. He has always been a guiding light for us in all our endeavors. May I now and share his insight with us.
Thank you, Dr. Vinita Tule. Honorable Professor P.L. Unyal, Treasurer of our college governing body and Chief Guest for this function. Honorable Professor Harish Trivedi, Keynote Speaker for this session. Honorable Professor S.P. Agarwal, Principal Ramanujan College and Director TLC Center. Dr. V.K. Arora, Coordinator IQAC of the college, Dr. Vinita Tuli, convener for this refresher course, all the committee members and dear participants. On behalf of Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, it's a great pleasure and honor for me to welcome you all in this inaugural session of this refresher course on cinema, society, and education. I'm glad that IQAC of the college has planned to organize this refresher course on a very important and pertinent topic, which is required for the society and especially refreshing the teachers in a particular way. So thank you for choosing this subject. I'm grateful to Professor S.P. Agrawal, Director TLC Ramanujan and Principal of the college, for his constant support and cooperation and allowing us to organize this refresher course in collaboration with TLC Ramanujan. And I hope that in future also, he will definitely extend his support to our college, organizing such programs and our future endeavors. I am thankful and to Professor Unyal, our treasurer, and Professor Pradeep Verma, our chairperson of the college governing body, for their constant support and help and guidance in the organization of these kind of programs. Friends, I hope that this 2-week program will be very beneficial for all of us, including me, and we are going to learn so many things on the topic. जो हमारे इस रिफ्रेशर कोर्स का विषय है सिनेमा, समाज और शिक्षा, मैं समझता हूँ कि राष्ट्र की निर्मिति में और समाज को बदलने में शिक्षा और सिनेमा दोनों की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहती है। और सिनेमा इंडिपेंडेंट अपने स्वतंत्र रूप में भी और शिक्षा के औजार के रूप में भी, उसके टूल के रूप में भी इसका प्रयोग होता रहा है। आज के इस महामारी के दौर में मुझे लगता है कि ये एक बेहतरीन अवसर है जब हम उस विषय पर बात कर रहे हैं जिस विषय पर विमर्श करने की बहुत गंभीरता से आवश्यकता है। सिनेमा और समाज और शिक्षा के माध्यम से न केवल समाज में होने वाले बदलाव और बदलते समाज और बदलते सिनेमा को हम जांचेंगे, परखेंगे, बल्कि एक औजार के रूप में शिक्षा के लिए कितना उपयोगी है और किस तरह से यह हमारे शिक्षा के क्षेत्र को बदलता है या बदल सकता है, हम इसकी भी परख शायद कर पाएंगे। मुझे ऐसा लगता है। मैं समझता हूँ ये सब ऐतिहासिक समय है। महामारी ने हमारे लिए चुनौतियों के साथ अवसर भी दिए और ये ऑनलाइन मोड में इस तरह के प्रोग्राम हम करने लगे और यह भी एक इतिहास है, यह भी एक तरह का सिनेमा ही बन रहा है। और यह एक शिक्षा का जो काम हम कर रहे हैं, यह एक सिनेमा और शिक्षा का तालमेल यहाँ साथ साथ चल रहा है। इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर भी आप इसको देख सकते हैं। और मैं निश्चित रूप से जानता हूं क्योंकि हमारी टीम ये सारे लेक्चर्स को हमारे YouTube चैनल पे डालने वाली है, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये सारी चीज जो आज एक शायद ऑफलाइन मोड में हम इस तरह के प्रोग्राम करते तो कर पाते या नहीं, लेकिन ये सारी चीज उपलब्ध होगी हम सबके लिए आगे भी, आगे के भविष्य के लिए भी। यह याद किया जाएगा कि महामारी के आपदा के बीच में भी हम शिक्षा को और समाज को लेकर के कितने सजग थे। सिनेमा केवल मनोरंजन नहीं है और मैं उसको मनोरंजन कतई नहीं मानता। सिनेमा का जीवन से, साहित्य से और जीवन के हर पहलू से, समाज से बहुत गहरा संबंध है। इसको समझने की जरूरत है और मैं समझता हूं कि शायद हमारे जो कमेटी मेंबर्स हैं यही सोच करके इस विषय को रखा है इस रिफ्रेशर कोर्स के लिए, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आगे आने वाले जो 2 हफ्ते हैं हम सबके बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हैं, और हम सबके बहुत रोचक वक्ताओं के साथ, रोचक व्याख्यान के साथ बीतने वाले हैं, और हम बहुत कुछ नया सीखने वाले हैं। मैं पुनः आप सबको I express my best wishes to the organizing team, Dr. Vinita Tuli and her team, and to all the participants. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, speakers, for giving us their consent to deliver their lectures in different sessions. So thank you so much. Over to Vinita. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. I extend a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Professor S.P. Agarwal, Principal, Ramanujan College, and Chairman of the Teaching Learning Center at the college at Ramanujan College. Sir, without your positive support and guidance, this refresher course could not have been possible. It's a pleasure to have you with us and invite you, sir, to say a few words of encouragement to us.
Thank you, Vanita ji. Good morning and welcome to dignitaries and our participants who have joined us from all over the country in this 2-week refresher course on cinema, society, and education. And today being the first day and inaugural, well, I have gone through the course, it is wonderfully drafted. Our chief guest today, Professor Unial, Treasurer, Governing Body of ARSD College, my colleague, Professor Gyantosh Jha, Dr. V.K. Arora, again, he has been my teacher and colleague, Dr. Vinita, all the committee members and participants. Once again, welcome on behalf of Teaching Learning Center, Ramanujan College, University of Delhi, to this 2-week refresher course on cinema, society, and education. Friends, as I said, as Professor Gyantosh ji said, that we always believe in collaboration, and these kind of programs we are able to do because of the collaboration. And first of all, let me go to this scheme, the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Teachers and Teaching. Well, the mission which was given by Ministry of Education to this college, small college of Delhi University, and in last 1 year in the COVID, all of you will be glad to know that we have already trained more than 1 lakh teachers from all over the country in various areas, whether it is teaching, learning, research, ICT, MOOCs, and a discipline-oriented program just like this on cinema, society, and education. Friends, another important thing is that today, Vinita ji said that ARSD College was being established in 1959. I was born in 1959. So it says double pleasure. I'm the alumni of ARSD College, and it is same as I am. So it is wonderful, Gyantosh ji, and we always look forward to work together. The subject as such, the cinema, society, and education, well, always fascinates us. See, all of us, whether we belong to any of the areas, it really does not matter. Today, we will be hearing from the experts in this area. But what I'm trying to say here is that cinema is the key in our life, not in our life, but in life of the society and the education. Well, I can recall my, the school days when we used to study literature. Julius Caesar was very, very important novel. And, teacher, when used to teach us, it was very difficult to absorb that. And today, the same thing, when our English teachers are teaching, they are teaching it with the help of, with the aid of cinema, documentary, or any other form, which is available to us, video clips, or there are several things. And another important thing is that lot of our students are making career in this area. So teachers has to equip themselves in order to teach our students with the help of these visuals. So what I'm trying to say here is that this has become an important part of education. And you will be glad to know that the Ramanujan College has a full-fledged studio to do any kind of thing in this regard. All of you are invited. You know, we are open to you know, this kind of collaborations or kind of associations where you can do your recordings or can make your documentaries or can do whatever which helps the education as such. Another important aspect which I always see here in these kind of programs is that teachers once get to know the subject, get to know the techniques. I'm sure that in this, there will be a lot of hands-on and practical experiences also. But I would also say that all of you must prepare something on your subject as a assignment. The organizers will give you that assignment. Maybe a 10 minutes, 15 minutes, which has an educational value. Only then we can say that, yes, you have learned it and you will be applying it in your classroom setup or in your research. Because these programs under Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Teachers and Teaching are very rigorous. We are not just holding the lectures and you can attend or not attend and get a certificate, probably not. That is not the intention, and you will face it here. So what I'm trying to say is that you must attend all the lectures, must do all the assignment quizzes, and also apply that knowledge in a classroom setup. So this is what I wanted to say. And again, a lot of thanks to the college for collaborating, to RSD College, and to all the participants for joining this course, and the team which put everything together in order to bring out such a program. And I'm sure this program is a unique program, and these kind of programs are not quite often offered all over the country. And I'm sure that this program will be highly beneficial to the society, to all of you, and to the stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement, which mean a lot to us. I seek this wonderful opportunity to welcome the chief guest for the day, Professor Prem Lal Unial. Professor Unial is the treasurer of our college governing body and professor in the Department of Botany, University of Delhi. Sir's research interests include bryophytes and gymnosperms. He has provided his valuable guidance and supervision to many research students. Sir has several research publications, popular scientific articles, books, and research projects to his credit. We are extremely honored by your gracious presence, sir. I would like to invite our chief guest, Professor P.R. Unial, to share his thoughts and observations with us. Sir.
Ravinder, sir is there?
Yes, sir.
Sir हैं?
जी.
सर का माइक देखना रविंदर.
Mic connected, ma'am.
Yes. Professor S.P. Agrawal, Professor Gyantosh Jha, Dr. V.K. Arora, Dr. Harish Trivedi, Dr. Vinita Tuli, Dr. Vishesh Kumar, Dr. Anjali Gupta, and in fact, the whole team of the organizers. In fact, it is a matter of great pleasure to be part of this. In fact, I feel really honored to be the part of this vibrant academic program. And on behalf of Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, University of Delhi, I extend a warm welcome to all to this refresher course entitled Cinema society, and education. In fact, this is such an important topic that gives a taste of every field of life and has a great ability to enlighten and enrich our knowledge. Uh, Professor Jha has already described about the cinema and the cinema and related education. In fact, the importance of refresher course is that the vast majority of the educators have great passion for their jobs and their work. They work tirelessly all year round. However, managing a classroom, meeting demanding educational standards, balancing their lives away from the classroom, and in fact, in a difficult time like Corona time, when the whole education is going to be the digital, it really take a toll. Definitely, such program like this refresher course gives them a much needed boost. Uh, and in fact, these can be a wake up call. Such programs can be a wake up call to remind teachers of their roles and enhances their professional ethics, which is the end, which is the end, and it will improve the performance and thus quality of education. Teachers are instrumental in igniting the minds of young students, facilitate value addition of their education, and the information get transferred into knowledge and wisdom. So definitely a skillful teacher is an asset for the students and for the institution. So the teachers have to equip themselves with the latest academic skill and techniques, and this is a very, very viable platform in the form of refresher course. One thing I must tell you about the institution, the good things happen when the institutions make learning as a part of their culture, like the uh, Atmaram Sanatar Dharm College is doing. This not only does it keep the knowledge and the expertise of the institutions running at the top level, but it shows that teachers that they are valuable. Means they it is a, it increase the value of teachers. So definitely the refresher trainings offers perfect opportunity to keep the teachers and researchers on the cutting edge of new development. This is the importance of the refresher course. The significance of refresher course in the present day scenario is more important in capacity building for innovative idea. This is the today's need, that innovative idea are required, and it should be well noticed by it has been well noticed by the national and international institutions. I definitely speculate that during this course, teacher would require various teaching skills, methods, models, and higher educational institutes. It helps learners to understand the objectives and development of higher education, and in fact, definitely it realized the role of teachers making digital India. So finally, I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks and best wishes to ARSD College, and in particular our honorable speakers who had agreed to be the part of this program and enlightening us. Definitely, I will be attending much of the lectures when I get a time. So we truly appreciate the overwhelmed responses of the participants, and I hope that everyone would take the knowledge of this program to make research, teaching, and learning exceptional. So I must mention the great enthusiasm of the team of Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, definitely the organizers, who has been working with the great enthusiasm. Their dedication is truly appreciable. I wish all 12 fruitful days of interesting and beneficial lectures, and also that you have a pleasant stay at home. I warmly welcome you again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your knowledge and experience with us. This refresher course will equip the teachers with variant understanding of Indian cinema as a tool to teaching and above all, understanding the educational and pedagogical perspective via cinema and its agencies. The themes and lecture will be around cinema and society and education. It will encompass multidisciplinary perspectives and subject experts with cinema-centric approach as a pedagogical tool. ये संकाय संवर्धन कार्यक्रम भारतीय सिनेमा की विशिष्ट समझ के साथ शिक्षकों और शैक्षणिक दृष्टिकोण को सिनेमा और उसकी एजेंसियों के माध्यम से समझने के लिए एक उपकरण के रूप में सुसज्जित करेगा। विषय विशेषज्ञों के साथ न सिर्फ एक शैक्षणिक उपकरण के रूप में बल्कि समाज और शिक्षा से संबंधित सिनेमा केंद्रित दृष्टिकोण को शामिल करेगा। Last but not the least, I, on behalf of IQAC of Atmaram Sanatana Dharma College, welcome all participants, and I assure you that this rich program will provide all with the opportunities to interact with the speakers and with one another. We hope your experience with the 2-week refresher course would be long-lasting and fruitful. This event has marked a new beginning for us. We understand that with the organization of the first 2-week refresher course comes in greater responsibilities, and we take pride in assuming them, as I hope you all will continue to support us in our endeavor. Now, I hand over the proceedings to the co-convener of this refresher course and my colleague, Dr. Anjali Gupta, for giving us the guidelines of this refresher course and also for the formal vote of thanks of this inaugural session. Over to you, Anjali.
Thank you, Dr. Vinita. Honorable Professor Unyal sir, respected Professor S.P. Agarwal sir, respected Professor Gyanatosh Kumar Jha sir, dear Dr. V.K. Arora sir, Dr. Vinita Tully, and our valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all. The refresher course that we are starting today will be of 2 weeks duration in pursuance of requirements of UGC or Ministry of Education as per the guidelines promulgated by the Ministry of Education or UGC. The course will cover a wide range of topics on cinema, society, and education. The program will have lectures bilingual in nature. The assessments will be undertaken on a daily basis. Links for the assessments will be shared along with the links of feedback forms. For the successful completion of this course and ensuring that e-certificate is issued, a minimum attendance requirement of around 90% is there in the lectures. As per the Ministry of Education requirements under Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching Scheme, all the participants also need to submit their online feedback forms on a daily basis. Failing to meet any of the conditions will result in the denial of the issue of the completion certificates. So these are in brief the guidelines that we will be following for the program. From time to time, the instructions will be given to all the participants in the WhatsApp groups that has been created for the same, as well as the emails. Now, it is an honor for me to have been given a pleasant responsibility of also presenting a vote of thanks for the session. I, Dr. Anjali Gupta, on behalf of IQAC Atmaram Sanatana Dharma College, University of Delhi, TLC Ramanujan College, and on my own behalf, extend a heartiest vote of thanks to all the honorable guests who blessed us with their benign presence by taking out time from their busy schedules to join the inaugural session of this 2 weeks interdisciplinary refresher course on cinema, society and education, Cinema, Samaj or Shiksha. At the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to Professor Unyal for sharing his views and ideas on the topic of the refresher course cinema. Sir has rightly pointed out the contribution of cinema in this time of digitalization. The use of cinema definitely enhances the teaching skills of the teachers as mentioned by Sir. Sir, the topic that is chosen by the organizing team and the IQOC is just as we want to stress on an innovative way in teaching pedagogy, that is cinema. We are thankful to you, sir, for your generous words of appreciation for all of us. We want to acknowledge our gratitude to our guest of honor, Professor S.P. Agarwal, sir, for appreciating the curriculum framed by the organizing team for this 2 weeks refresher course. It is an honor for our college that respected sir is an alumnus of the ARSD college. It was highlighted by sir that teaching pedagogy has undergone innovation and cinema has become an important tool of teaching. We can assure you, sir, that we as organizers will be hard task masters in our entire delivery and assessment in the course and the program. We would like to express our deep sense of appreciation for Professor Gyanatosh Kumar Jha, sir, for selflessly pioneering this entire endeavor. His guidance and words of encouragement motivates us all to work harder for delivering a spectacular experience to the participants. We thank you, sir, for again appreciating the topic chosen by the IQAC Atmaram Nathandharm College for this refresher course. It was rightly quoted by sir that relevance of cinema is not just restricted to entertainment. This mode of expression reflects the true spirit of society, and we are grateful to you, sir, for your suggestions. Next, I would like to place on record our heartiest thanks to Dr. V.K. Arora, sir, for his kind, encouraging words of wisdom. I would be failing in my elegance if I do not express my praise for Dr. Vinita Tulli for being the force behind this entire endeavor. Thank you, ma'am. I also want to place on record my heartiest thanks to the entire organizing team comprising of Dr. Vibhash Kumar from TLC Ramanujan College, uh, Ms. Shibani Fukan, Dr. Vikas Kumar, Dr. Manisha, Ms. Maitri Roy Chaudhary, Dr. Saeed Mobin Zehra, Mr. Dipankar, Dr. Priyanka Kulhari, Mr. Anil Kumar Rajak, Dr. Shankar Subramaniam, Dr. Anil Kumar and Dr. Shubha Divedi for successful deliberation of the program. I would like to also extend a special thanks to Dr. Abid Hussain, Mr. Amit Vishwakarma, Dr. Amit Vishwakarma, Mr. Ravinder Kumar Pant, Ms. Anupriya, and Ms. Baljit Kaur for their perfect technical support extended 24/7 to all of us. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants from different parts of the country in our midst. I, on behalf of entire organizing team, take this opportunity to thank you for participating in this 2 weeks refresher course. Once again, a sincere thanks to all the dignitaries for gracing the occasion. Thank you. With this, we come to the end of this session and we resume the first technical session having the keynote in next 5 minutes, Vinita.
We are starting. We are starting.
Okay.